so I'm just going to show you what we did in our beginners solo routine. So this was in our beginners course number 2 and it was week 3 of 4. I'm going to face the front. Here we go. This is routine number 6. We did a mambo first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We did a half rocking open step towards the back, left, right, left, 180 degrees. I did a side basic with a little crossover, out and cross. So it wasn't just out and cross in front. I did out, pivot, cross. Okay, let's do those 2 steps together. Mambo, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock to the back, out and cross. From here, we did 2 back sailors, out and cross, out and cross. This one was a little bit further across because I'm now going to pivot and unwind on my feet. And then we did a little bit of body movement with a little bit of a shoulder, shoulder. So we're looking a bit straight, shoulder, shoulder, look cool. Okay, let's just do that 1 bar. I go from the back cross, out, cross, out, cross, turn, 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 shoulder, shoulder. Moving on, Susie Q and 2 mambo taps. Susie Q, tap, tap, Susie Q, tap, tap. We then did a right turn and we put some arms in. So we did slightly more dramatic arms, small curve, a little bit like you're trying to pull a crisp packet or something. It's been a bit stiff, you go, okay, and it just suddenly goes, okay, so a little bit more there, but not so far up that you look like you're waving your arm, so poof, just about there, okay? So right turn, 1, 2, 3, back, 6, 7, so I'm pulling them out and then bringing them in, so they go out on 1, bring them in for the 2, and collect on 3, back step, 5, 6, 7, okay? And then we had a little walking sequence, left foot forwards, walk, walk, out and cross behind, walk, walk, out and cross in front. Now I'm going to dance all of those bars for you. Don't forget, this is just a short recap of a routine that was taught in a full class. If you're looking at this on the members site and you've only got access to just the little short routines, don't forget you can look on the video library, and if you take a subscription on there, you would actually get access to all the full 1-hour classes, everything that's been taught. So that's why I'm going quite quickly, because we've already done this in a longer class. But this is your little recap. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Out, cross, out and cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 2, 3, back 6, 7. Walk, walk, out and cross, walk, walk, out and cross. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that. There was my cat, obviously didn't like my footwork, exiting the room. Okay, yes, like I say, just a little short recap. It was beginners solo routine number 6, and like I say, whichever playlist that you're watching this in, if you haven't had access to the full class, it was the beginners level 2 course and it was week 3. So if you do need to have a look at some of those other ones, you're going to need to go onto the video library. I'll see you in the next video.